Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show y'all how I finesse an old style when I want to wear my hair out. So right now, this is an old twist out. It's like probably, let me not lie, let's see exactly how old it is. This is a 6-day-old twist out. This is how you finesse wearing your hair out. I'm going to use a leave-in. This has been my favorite leave-in currently. Y'all can't see that, but it is Hawaiian Silky's triple butter curl milk. This has been my favorite leave-in currently, so I've been using it like crazy. Y'all see I only got a tiny bit left. And of course I'm going to use some water. All we have is leave-in and water. If we put something else in it, I'll let y'all know. So I took my big band out. When I take my hair down, I kind of like to shake it out more than like anything else. And I usually like work at the fronts where however it was put up is usually how it's going to stick up. So I like to work in those areas first, kind of just working on the hair. But I don't like to do, I'm spraying water directly on my hand. And this is just water. Water makes everything easier. So we're gonna do that. You can kind of see how my hair is dry. My hair definitely gets drier, of course, like everybody else in the colder months. So I am due for a full wash day. That's why I'm refreshing this and I'm not redoing my hair totally, because I'm about to have to redo my hair totally either today or tomorrow. So I use the water first, and I kind of like work my hair around the way I may be styling it so it can start falling in that direction. And then I take some of whatever the leave-in I'm using is, and I work that into my hair. This has been like my favorite leave-in. It smells so good. It smells really good, but the scent is subtle. It's not harsh at all. And I think that's why I really love it, because you can smell it on your hair, but it's not like Jesus that strong. So it's like the perfect scent for me. My hair needs to be cleaned so bad, and my hair is like still sticking up right here. So however I want my hair to lay, that's how I work it. Work the product in. And then if I have hair that's kind of like balled up, that has kind of shrunken, I tug at it to stretch it out. So a little bit more of the leave-in. I like mixing the leave-in on my hand with water. I feel like my hair soaks it right up in. So that's step one to a super old refresh. You don't want to use too much if you want your hair to stay stretched, because the more water you use, the more product you use, the more your hair is going to shrink up. So when that's that part, that's step one. Step two is the styling portion. So this is the part where I don't really know how I want my hair to be. My hair has been like kind of taking over my face, and I don't really like that. So I've been tucking it. I've been trying to change it up because I know more things. I think I'm just going to pull it back like this. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna body pin it back. But if you don't want to do that, you feel like that's too simple, you could always finish doing this and then take these two pieces and tuck them back. Bobby pin or gel. I don't really like using a lot of gel. That's just me though. So I would also like wear my hair like this because it gets it out of my face, so you can see my face more, and my hair is still fluffed and styled. So you can tuck it behind your ears. You can pin it back like this, or you can take all of this hair and do one of those twists, flat twists to the side. I don't want to do that. And I will show y'all, but that would require me kind of combing out that hair, stretching it out, and I don't want to do that because I want it to stay the way it is. Oh, I know I'll be forgetting stuff, but I ain't that crazy. So, got the two bobby pins. And that is how I finesse one more day. And the thing about it is, when you put your hair up, making sure you have a few curls that last. So like I got a few curls here, I got a little like spirals on my ends. Like making sure you have a few curls will help you maintain your twist out longer than you need to, because most of my hair has reverted to my more frizzy like natural state that looks less manipulated. So yeah, that's how I finesse a hairstyle for another day. Like bobby pins, edge control gel, all your friend, all of it. This type of style requires you embracing your frizz, embracing the fact that you don't have super defined curls and hair. This requires you to love your natural state of hair. If you aren't comfortable with that, if you don't like that, then you're probably not gonna like trying to finesse a style, like another day out of a style. Perfect. But I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I know this is super short, but I just wanted to give y'all a few tips on how to finesse a twist out, make it last a little longer. And if you stayed this long, drop a heart so I know you a real one. Because y'all, everybody don't watch the full video. Just saying. But I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for joining me. Make sure you watch some more videos, girl. Don't go nowhere. Don't click out. Watch some more videos. Help us out. Like, comment, and subscribe. All of that really, really helps my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great morning, a great evening, or a great night whenever you are watching this. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.